Hey everybody, it is time once again for another exciting episode of the Chelada Boys. And this week, we do something we ain't done in a while. We sit back and drink a lot of beer and just talk some shit. Passeroni.
What's up, bro?
What's up with it?
Hey.
Cheers.
Drinking these green boys.
Hey, found them in the little cans. Found 12 packs of them. We ain't got to drink them giants no more.
He loves them. He does. He loves them.
There's also some like regular Bud Lights if you would like to transition.
I probably will after this one.
Okay.
This gets a little too limey for me. I like them.
Yeah.
And
In moderation.
In moderation. And I definitely expect them to be a really good summer beer.
Yes.
Man, you throw one of those in the mix while you're down by the creek. It's 95. Bah. Ooh, bring you back.
Yes.
It'll bring you back.
They're good. Make your mouth water.
Mm-hmm. They really do. Makes like my jaws tingle. I feel like I went to Willy Wonka's house.
So, as a lot of you guys don't know, my boy Posh has got a birthday coming up on Monday, right?
Monday, yeah.
Monday.
I will be 31.
So, in lieu of recent events, we have gotten Posh a birthday gift.
Oh, man. Hey, that is dope.
My dude got his license back.
Hell yeah.
So we got him a bikini bottom license.
Man. Appreciate
Yeah.
it, bro.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah.
I'm licensed, boy.
Yeah.
When's
he's
his
out
expiration date?
here. Don't have one. Let's go.
Doesn't have one, so I don't
Now.
have to worry about this. That is dope, man. Thank you.
That is the gag gift.
Right.
Now, here are the birthday presents. Got my boy a hat,
All right.
a Hurley hat.
I appreciate
Yeah.
you, man, because you know I'm trying to keep his bald head covered.
Got my boy a shirt.
Uh-oh.
Got my man's a Quicksilver.
Hey.
A Quicksilver shirt. I hope it's the right size. It's a large.
That is the right
Is
size.
that the right size?
That's the right size.
Got
yeah.
my man's a. And lastly but not leastly, got my man's a pair of shorts.
Okay, so everybody knows what I'm wearing. Next episode, I'm bringing the perfect
34?
Yep.
My man,
Dude,
I'm
he
good.
knows my shit. He knows my
And-
shit.
Well, I was going to give you the receipt in case it didn't fit, but apparently it will fit.
It all fits. Bro.
So, no receipt for you.
All right, man. Thank
In
you.
case you just decide,
Appreciate it.
tough times and you don't want to.
Hell
If you don't like my gifts, there's a receipt and you can take it back.
I love them, dude. I'll be wearing the Quicksilver shirt though. The SpongeBob,
Okay.
I'm gonna wear to my dad's house.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
He took me to get it, so.
Yeah, Dad, look what you helped me get.
Yeah.
But, yeah, got you a nice little outfit, my dog.
I appreciate it, man. Thank
Hopefully
you.
it fits good. And
Thank you.
I know it's going to look good because
Yeah.
you the one wearing it.
Appreciate you. All right.
My boy turning 31
31
on
man.
Monday. Happy
Yes.
birthday to Posh, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Appreciate it. Yeah, big 3-1.
Here's the bag. I know it'd be
Oh, okay,
more
yeah.
convenient.
Sweet.
Take this just in case. Like, I know it's the right size, but if it doesn't fit, you can
Right.
take it back and
Shit, if it don't fit, I
Exchange
just
it.
wash it,
wash it a bunch.
and then it'll fit.
Wash it on high heat. Dry it on high heat.
Or I just eat a lot more.
There you go. There you go. What if there's too small?
Oh, then it's time to work
They
out.
don't fit.
time to work out.
If they're too small, they don't fit.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you.
So a lot of things have happened since we talked to you guys last. The Hadron Collider did its thing with its particles.
Kind of disappointed.
Nothing happened. I still gotta go to work.
So
and
far,
shit.
that we know so
We
far.
know it. But they did discover 3 new natural particles.
Really?
Yeah,
I didn't know that. That's
3
cool.
new natural particles.
Once I realized it wasn't going to be Stranger Things, I stopped following up research. I was like, I'm done. I wanted aliens, bro.
Yeah, it was easy to speculate on it. And a lot of people were like, everything is gonna be different, so get ready.
So again, the point of that was
It's fun to speculate.
It is fun to speculate. I don't care if I'm spreading misinformation. We're all misinformed. It doesn't matter where you go. Any channel you turn to, it's misinformation.
Everything's wrong.
Yeah.
Everything you know is wrong, dude.
At least we admit we're wrong.
Right. You know what I forgot? No, I didn't. Never mind. Go ahead.
Got it. So the point was to test the Big Bang Theory. Is that what it? I've heard.
So
I never.
we were talking about the thing that's in Tennessee. It's something different. That's something different. The one that we were talking about that I said was in Sweden was in Sweden.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So,
I know you were right. Yeah, the
so,
Sweden thing.
but
After.
I think they're just trying to learn. I mean, it's just like the scientific basis of anything you do. You're just trying to learn shit you don't already know.
Right.
Trying to learn new shit. But I think it was something along the lines of that, of like what happened in the beginning and with the Big Bang and shit. Like, I don't know how you even think. I don't even know how you start to understand how to test that.
I'm still just why? Like, is that what we have to spend a bunch of money on?
Yeah.
You guys got to set off a
Well,
cosmic firework?
I guess I guess the big question is why we're here. Why are we here? And I guess that's what science is kind of.
I don't think figuring out how it started is going to give us the answer as to why we're here.
Well, I think it would assist at least.
I'd be like, okay, there's people that believe in the Big Bang Theory and their life hasn't changed any.
Yeah, and there's people that believe in. Well, I wouldn't say any hasn't changed any. It hasn't changed because their life beliefs are based on of their beliefs.
Right.
So
they still live a normal life.
If they changed their beliefs, then it would change, I guess. But
right.
I don't know.
I don't know what it was for,
It's
but I'm
hard
just
science.
upset that I didn't get superpowers and that,
Yeah, it's bullshit.
I didn't like wake up with like 50 different new memories.
I didn't wake
shit.
up a multi-billionaire.
That would have been dope,
Could you imagine?
bro.
Waking up and remembering the past life and waking up and you're like Lodi Magodi.
Let's go. Call my best friend Dill.
Yeah. What up? Hey, man, I'm rich. What'd you do for you called me and I was like, yeah, bro, you been rich. What the fuck you talking about?
I'd be like, oh, bro.
And then you come over to my house and I'm a black dude.
You still want to go to Sweden?
Still. I know. I mean,
Yeah.
not that being a black dude would
Right.
change anything, but would it not blow your mind that I'm just a black dude now?
No.
What the
I would
fuck?
feel like we'd be like Robin Big.
Yeah. But you remember me as a white guy. You know what? That's what I'm
That would
getting
be
at.
weird.
That's what
I
I'm
would
getting
at
at.
first. I'd be like, bro,
You're not Dylan.
yeah, what's going on? And then you'd be accusing me of being racist because I'm like, dude, you're black. Like, you're black. And you're like, dude, that's so racist. You can't say that. I'd be like, but you're black.
I don't think Black Dylan would do that. I don't think I would be
No.
like, you're racist.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Black Dylan, if you're out there,
Whatever universe you're
let us know what you think. Yeah, I don't know, but they found 3 organic new particles, and I'm not even going to try to act like I know what the fuck that means because
Yeah, well, what does that do? You know, it just all that does for me is just raise more questions and more questions because I'm like a 3-year-old. Why? Why'd
That's
they do
just
that?
the never
Yeah.
ending. That's the never ending. It's a perpetual goal right there. Is finding out why, and once you find out that why, then there's another
There's a
why.
new why? Yeah.
The 3 new
Particles. Particles.
Discovered. Or 3 new particles. 3 new particles discovered by the Lord. Over the past 20 years, the Bell collaboration in Japan, Fermilab, and LHC has shown that it is possible to create a heavier baryons and mesons. Don't know what either of those are. Something that had been predicted 6 decades ago. The pentaquark, just discovered, is made of charm quark and a charm antiquark and an up, a down, and a strength. I don't fucking have any. That makes no sense to me. It's boring because I don't know what the fuck that means.
Yeah, I'm sure to
You know what
some
I mean?
egghead that's really exciting.
Roasted.
They're like, oh shit.
You guys don't understand. Yeah, no, I don't.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you got me. Let's see if I can fix this fucking zip. Focus. Okay. Yep. Better. So there's that. What else? The fucking James Webb Space Telescope.
That's been everywhere. Everybody's talking about that right now.
The new images.
They're beautiful.
They are beautiful, but you know what? To play devil's advocate,
Uh-oh.
it's the same picture, but just in better definition.
Yeah.
I could tell what it was before.
But yeah.
I could tell what it was before, but it's a little clearer now.
Look at a different grain of salt. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever, the rice or the postage stamp, whatever they say. Just move it to a different area.
And you know what else kind of occurred to me when I was looking at them? That hadn't... I mean, I guess it had occurred to me whenever I'd seen the ones from the Hubble, but... So what? Now... so what?
Now what?
Now what? So what?
We just took the longest picture ever.
Yeah, so what? What we're going to do? Go there now?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
We can see it. And if you do discover a planet that we could inhabit, 4.6 billion years from here.
Kepler.
Light years. 4.6 billion light years from here.
Kepler 22, Kepler 62, something like that. That is the planet.
69, bro.
Hey, that would be dope. 420. Kepler 420. Just weed everywhere. That would be fucking sick, bro. Send me there.
Boss is like, I will get there.
Yeah.
I will get there.
I'm starting to GoFundMe
I'm
right
on
now.
my way now.
I need Elon Musk to send me everything he's got. No, but Kepler 22 or something like that is supposed to be a planet that is Earth-like, very similar.
And how far away is that?
It's in our solar system.
No
Or not
shit.
not in our solar system. In our galaxy.
Okay.
Though, in the Milky Way galaxy,
Okay.
which
Still.
could still be fucking forever away. Yeah, we still might
Let's
not
see.
ever get
All
there.
right, let's say it's 1 light year away. How long would it take to travel a light year?
Ooh.
37,200 human years. Saying we are a space shuttle that traveled 5 miles per second. Given that the speed of light travels at 186,282 miles per second, it would take So 1 light year would take would take just over 37,000 years. So fucking what? Okay?
Yeah.
At this point,
We'll
with that
never-
information, we are wasting money and time.
Our best
It's
bet-
interesting, but
Our best bet is like alien craft landing here and us being able to reverse engineer everything that they
Yes.
had and then take off from there.
and
because
that's
it's
kind of
gonna
like
take way
that.
too
That
long.
kind of makes me think that we have discovered something like that, and that's
Yeah.
why we continuously look into some shit like that.
Because they're always sending those, well, I don't know about always, but
Voyagers.
the Voyagers out and stuff like that.
Well, they probably want to just give us some information. There's some justification of this money that we're putting into shit without actually telling us
Right. All this money.
what they really know.
All this money we're launching into nothingness. Here's a
$10 billion.
Yeah, here's a $10 billion.
JWST, $10 billion.
Never see you again. Peace out.
To take pictures
Yeah.
of shit that is way out there. Okay.
Humans are all about their pictures, dog. We gotta get them.
True.
selfies. We gotta get them pictures.
True. NASA's ran by women, roasted. But seriously,
Hidden Figures. If you haven't seen that movie.
there's got to be something that. Well, I won't say that there's got to be. There's definitely some shit that they know that they're not telling us.
Oh yeah, there's always gonna be
100%.
some top secret shit that like 60. We'll be like 85, and we'll be like, I fucking knew it. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
when they finally declassify it.
And there's gonna be a
They're
bunch
like,
of little
"All right,
hipster
yeah,
kids like, that's like old. And
In
everybody-
2020,
we need
yeah,
that."
we could fucking actually travel 10 light years out into space.
We had already been to Mars. We just hadn't told you.
Like, okay, if you're telling us this now, what is some shit? What do y'all know? What can y'all do now
Yeah.
that you're not going to tell us for another 80 years?
They say we're the like lost generation of technology because like our cell phones and everything we have in our pocket is like what Nikola Tesla discovered.
Yeah.
And that was like in the late 1800s. So it's over 100 years old, all this
When
technology
did
that
Tesla
we're using.
die? Wasn't it like the 30s or the 40s?
19, I want to say it's like in the teens, 19 teens
No.
sometimes.
No,
Maybe
it
not.
was later than that.
I can't remember, man. We did the Nikola Tesla episode. 1903. That's my guess.
1903?
Yeah.
I'm going to say 1954. 43.
1943. You were way closer.
Yeah, I thought it was the 40s or the 50s.
Oh, yeah. I guess that's true. Right before World War.
I remember the World War
Right,
II
World
going
War
on.
II.
and
Yeah,
shit.
it was happening.
And that's when he died broke because he was blackballed by the government and shit.
They sat on his property for like 10 years, bro.
Cocksucking motherfuckers.
Yeah, they sat on all this shit. I think every major like thing that we're using today, it used to be that you couldn't get electric 1 mile away from the plant. Now you can get it
Without having some kind of like
a plant.
hub of
Now you can go 600-700 miles in every direction.
antifreeze direction.
He was a
Yeah.
he was a genius beyond measurable at that time, dude.
He was
like,
on something with the 369 shit.
Mhm.
Like that still blows. I
Finding
think
out
about
that-
that often, actually. Like that being the language of life, even
the
like
world,
all life.
the universe.
I don't know if you know this, but any multiplication of 9, 6, or 3 added back into itself it always reverts back to 9, 6, or 3. And I can't remember if it's 9 or 3, but whatever multiplication of one of those two always comes back to itself. So let's
It's a tricky bitch.
let's do a little bit of game here. We've got a calculator. We've got it here, and we've got the display capture. I had to I wish the screen wasn't fucked up. My screen's fucked up, guys. Sorry. Let me try to turn this on. No, we want the different one. Properties. Oh God.
Whoa.
This
Trippy.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna turn this off. All right. So 3 times. Give me a number.
54.
54 equals 162. Okay. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9.
Damn.
Every time. Of any of them. Okay, 6 times 95,367 equals 572,202. 5 plus 7 equals 12 plus 4 plus 2 equals 14 plus 2 16 plus 2 18. 1 plus 8 9.
That's fucking nuts.
Yeah. 3 times equals 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 6 is 25, plus 9 is 34, plus 8 is 42, plus 6 is 48, plus 6 is 54, 5 plus 4 is 9.
That is mind-blowing, dude.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Okay, Nikola Tesla,
how do
you
you find that out?
fucking just sit
What do you
around
do to
and play
find
with a
that out?
calculator? Like, what the fuck? That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
You just blew my fucking tits off my chest. That is fucking insane.
I wish someone would blow mine off mine. But yeah, that's wild.
That is crazy.
It's insane.
That
Any number times a 3, 6, or 9 always reverts back to it.
Imagine the rush you felt when you like
Discovered
discovered that. You were
Yeah.
like, probably just like in
3, 6,
tune.
and 9 is the law of fucking everything.
Mm-hmm.
That is a thing. Like, math is not a human construct.
Yeah, it's the language of the universe.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's
Man.
why I suck at life, because I suck at math.
I'm good at simple math. Like, I can add shit good. But if you start dividing and throw that number or the letters in there, bro, I'm fucked.
I suck all the way around.
I'm fuckboy RD'd.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at like
It's
adding.
fun,
and
though. So let's
multiplication,
just
stuff
hit them
like
one
that,
more
but-
time just to keep that.
Keep it going.
Keep the
that,
love going
that
with that.
spirit alive.
Yeah.
That shit is crazy.
All
bro.
right. Let's say, I can't remember if it's a 9 or 3. So we did a 3 and it
And we did
reverted
a
back to 9.
6.
So I think 9 is the one that always comes back to 9. 9 times 9. 8. Okay, so 9 and 9 is 18, plus 8 is 24, plus 9 is 33, plus 9 is 42, plus 1 is 45, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That would start like if I kept testing this theory and I was Nikola Tesla, it would scare the fuck out of me.
Yeah.
I'd be like, bro.
Okay, let's go backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is
Oh shit.
9, 18, 27, 36, 44, and 50. Wait a minute. Yeah. No, I fucked up. 9.
18.
Wait a minute. I'm 9. I'm fucking 16, 32. What the fuck is going on in my brain? 32 plus 16, 42, 48. 48 plus
This is a hard one.
54.
5 plus 4 is 9.
54 plus 8 is 63, plus 9 is... I'm fucking dumb, dude. I'm trying to do this in front of a crowd, and it's kind of like making me panic.
Just pretend that there's no crowd.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eights.
1 9.
So that is 72.
No, that's for 9. You can only do that for 9s.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Jesus Christ. 9 eights. No, so yeah.
Okay.
9
yeah.
eighths,
Yeah.
72, plus 9, 81.
8 plus 1.
It's 9.
Damn, it took us a long time, but we got there.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Todd Bush math test. You have passed.
We have not.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming to the show. I'm a little bit buzzed. I ain't gonna front.
A
little bit.
Funny, bro. Your
That's a
eyes
good
are
excuse. I'm not really that buzzed, but it's a good excuse that I could use for my
Yeah, we're drunk. That's all I can't
my
do math.
panic brain. I was like, if you don't get this right every time,
You want a Bud Lighty?
everyone thinks you're dumb.
You're going to keep smashing these limeys,
I'm
ain't you?
smacking lime and salts. But test it out yourself. Fucking 9 times anything reverts back to 9 every time. And 3 or 6 will be 3, 6, or 9 every time.
That's fucking crazy,
Every time.
bro.
Every time.
That blows my mind.
Yeah. And I don't know what the benefit of it is. I just don't know. I know that I don't know.
We
what
just
the
figured out
benefit
the
is,
pattern. We don't know what it means.
Exactly.
Damn. I wish I was smart
We
enough
didn't
to tell
figure
you
it
that.
out.
Yeah. Well, I meant
We
as-
learned it.
I meant we as the humans.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, we claim Nikola Tesla.
I know he's from Europe, but
I'm sure that he got
he's an American.
I'm sure he got a lot of weird looks in his life, though.
I wish I would have. You know, I
probably
like to
socially
think
awkward.
back. I like to think back, like on knowing those people and
In
the
their
genius that
lifespan,
they
yeah.
were and stuff. And I like to think that if I knew them or I was alive around that time, that I would have appreciated them for their genius. But hindsight is always 20/20. So I may have back then been like, Nikola Tesla, you are a fucking psycho.
Yeah.
I might have.
Power only run 1 mile until you need another power station forever. That's how it fucking
Yeah.
works.
Thomas Edison, but
Yeah.
you think you're smarter than Thomas damn Edison, buddy?
Yes, I do.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
But yeah, if he would have showed me the AC/DC shit though, like the the fucking
Highway to Hell and shit, just not.
directive current and alternating current, right?
Yeah.
Then that would have been enough proof for me. If he'd have fucking showed me that test, like to where he can like, yeah, I can plug up this whole block right here.
Imagine being like, it's 1915, 1920, whatever, and you've never seen anybody be able to grab anything electrical and
Black
survive.
magic.
And this man grabs
Burn
his
him at the
cord
stake.
and then grabs a light bulb and it passes through his body and lights
I would have
up.
been so scared. I'd
You'd
have
have
been
been
so
like,
scared.
What the? He sold his soul.
Yeah.
He sold his soul to the devil.
So what's the devil look like?
Yeah. So like being the devil's favorite.
Yeah, the devil's favorite. You son of a bitch.
That's crazy, bro.
But we kind of rambled on, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
But that's
Nikola
all right.
Tesla.
So what you get here at the Chelada Boys?
And we was talking about
Chelada.
just all the new stuff that's happened anyways.
Yeah. So the pictures, like I said, they are fucking amazing.
They're
It's
beautiful.
beautiful what's out there. It is amazing, and I would love to. I don't think you could continuously see a different image for your entire life of a different spot in the universe and live long enough to see it all. So I still don't understand the why. I'm not saying that it's a dumb why. I just don't understand the why. What can we benefit from these pictures? Yeah, there's black holes out there. We proved that. We proved that all these theories are right. But
Well, one thing
then what?
One thing I've heard them talking about is for the first time they've seen, if you look at that picture that is all the galaxies in one, looks like a kaleidoscope of just all these different galaxies and stars. There's some that kind of have an arc to them, almost like a circle in the middle. And that,
Like
they
a ripple.
they say is from a gravitational pull from merging galaxies. These galaxies are so heavy that it's
They're mixing.
pulling
There's that
these
picture
around.
of those four,
I don't
right?
think they've
And
ever-
they're like,
Yeah, but I don't think they've ever seen that before. So that's like a new thing to see, like galaxies arcing into another galaxy's
hell
gravity.
yeah, that's badass. What's the benefit?
No idea. No, hey, maybe one day we'll arc into another one and then our shit's gonna get
We're
weird.
done. We're
Maybe,
gone.
maybe I don't know. Maybe we'll get some cool ass neighbors just like on the rock next to us.
But what makes me curious is, are those like, so whenever they go from this to this, whenever they're like merging, do those planets go from this or whatever they are? Do they do they keep
thin
the
out
same
too?
structure, but
Right.
they?
Because there's another gravity force affecting them
Yeah.
now. Ooh, that's a good question. Neil deGrasse Tyson, whatever your name is.
Neil deGrasse Tyson.
Yeah, the Tyson chicken guy.
Hey, Mike Tyson,
Yeah, the smart one.
the smart Mike Tyson. Got questions for you.
No, he is a smart guy though.
Yeah, Joe Rogan loves him, obviously, but
And Mike Tyson. I'm just joking. Don't
yeah,
beat me up.
yeah,
Please.
please.
Yeah. You're
Actually,
the
do beat me up because I'd love to meet you. But
Not like that.
Joe Rogan gets like irked with him because Neil deGrasse Tyson won't. He does not like to let anyone else talk. He likes to just,
he rambles. He goes and goes and goes.
Well, the thing is this. You know? But anyway, what were you saying about it?
No, it's just he's a smart guy.
I read his. I can't remember the name of the book, but it's like a short book about like explaining the galaxies and shit like that. But
he does a good job of taking it from a scientist's perspective and breaking it down into layman's terms for people like me. So like that's what I really. It's like
I've got that book if you want to read it.
He's like
it's pretty good. It's pretty interesting. It talks about like the Big Bang and what happens.
Every time I bring something back from borrowed at your house, I leave the same day with something new.
You do.
I do every time.
It's all right. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit.
But yeah, I mean that's cool. I'm all about the space shit, dude. Like you said, I don't know what purpose it serves.
It tickles the curiosity.
Yes.
Or it scratches.
Yes.
Sorry, it scratches the curiosity
tickles
tickle.
Too. It tickles.
It scratches the curiosity tickle, but it also doesn't change anything. Really.
And there's probably a lot of shit that $10 billion could have went to that fix shit problems right here. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, let's just look up.
I don't know, homelessness. Hunger.
How much would it cost to end world hunger?
Oof.
$33 billion per year.
Spread between all the world's countries.
So,
okay, well, I mean,
in
how
fact,
many countries
the cost
are
is
there?
less than you think. A study produced in Germany suggests that the cost of ending world hunger within the next 10 years amounts to about $330 billion. $33 billion per year spread between all the world's countries. So, more than I thought.
It's more than I thought, but I mean, you'd have.
But
I don't know.
$10 billion would fucking take a chunk out of it. Let me tell you that. How much would it cost to end homelessness?
Well, it depends on where. But yeah, well, let's go within the world.
Hello? What was it in America? So in America, it'd be $20 billion.
Dude, that's an easy fix for somebody
so
out there.
America, right? NASA's an American.
That's half the that's half the James half the James Webb right there.
Yeah. No, it's
or that is
half of that is the
James
Webb
Webb.
telescope.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Yeah.
But
so
sorry, I'm buzzed.
Yeah. yeah. 2 + 5 = 90.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean it's all a perspective thing. It's all a perspective thing.
Would I have rather people been eating than us launching $10 billion?
Or would I have rather people have shelter?
Yes.
Probably.
Yes.
Let's fix the problems here before we find out the problems out there.
Yeah.
We don't even know what's in the fucking ocean, homeboy.
Yeah, we got enough on our fucking plate. Exactly. We just hit the bottom of the ocean like the other day. Like 4 days ago.
And found a bag of Lay's potato chips.
Yeah, what the fuck, bro?
We got our own problems.
That's sad, bro. That is really sad. The deepest point we've ever... You know what got there first? Lay's. Lay's got there first.
So,
fuck.
In my house, I now have a rival for the cottage cheese in this house.
Uh-oh, you found a replacement?
No, I have somebody else
compete with.
Somebody else who's eating my cottage cheese in this house.
Oh.
His name is Zeke Owen.
Yeah, babies love it, dude.
And he's been eating my
It's good for their little tummies.
And Chelsea just sent me this on Messenger. I'll show it to you guys. But it's a bag. It's a tub of Daisy cottage cheese and a tub of Kroger cottage cheese, and it's one's red and one's blue. And Chelsea said, "You just got to decide if you're a Crip or a Blood." Oh, that's funny as fuck.
Which one did you? When we did Crips and Bloods, which one did you study? You studied Crips. I studied Bloods.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you a Crip, dog.
Crips. They both mine, dog. I tie the bandanas together. You talking about?
Z get 2 spoonfuls out of each one. That's
you get a bite each. That's it. Figure out which one you don't want the least because you ain't getting neither.
I'll definitely smack that Kroger brand first.
I do give him. Let him have some.
Luna likes cottage cheese too. I do too. Michaela hates it.
To be honest with you, it's kind of like a pride thing. Like, yeah, he's like his daddy. He likes cottage cheese.
Yeah, it is cool. And
boy,
that's what was it the other day? Michaela made some stuffing, and I'm not crazy about stuffing. Don't like it that much.
I don't fuck with it. I like stuffing on
it's a poor man's
chicken
food.
casserole. I like stuffing on chicken casserole.
It's
on the top.
I don't know what it is. It's not really the consistency of it. It's more the taste for me. I'm just not crazy about it. I'm not crazy with the taste.
Isn't that bad. I think the taste isn't that bad.
Tastes like fucking already chewed up bread.
So let me ask you this: croutons?
Love them.
You love croutons?
Fucks with them hard.
Yeah, I like croutons too, but I think they're the same thing. Essentially,
they're toasted better.
It's toasted, yes.
Yeah, it's toasted.
But see, I think
like
that's why I like. I think that's why I like.
I don't like the mush.
I think that's why I like stuffing on a casserole better because it's got a little,
right?
You know, a little crisp to it.
It gets a little hotter in
if
the
it's
oven.
a bowl of mush and like get you some stuffing.
If you're doing like
some
the
stuffing and
stovetop
cranberries.
Oh, no, thank you.
Wow.
And Luna does not like stuffing either.
Yeah.
And Michaela told me that, screamed it into the living room the other day. She was like, she don't like stuffing. I was like, yeah, she like her daddy.
That's her daddy coming out there.
Like, I love it. Stuffing's so good.
Yeah, well, enjoy.
Yeah, that's all yours.
All right, guess my fart.
Oh, God. Dude. I didn't get the last one. No. All right, smell my fart. No.
Yeah, it's coming up.
No.
But so, like we said, there's 3 new particles. There's pictures of the universe that are cool, but really don't mean anything to you and I because
what can we do?
Different?
They're pretty, really cool colors.
They are interesting, and I do appreciate them. I very much am a fan of the pictures, and I appreciate them, and I can't wait to find like the newest discovery. That is just always so interesting to me. But fucking,
let's point it at a different patch of sky this time. See what else we find.
Yeah, why are we getting like better resolution pictures of the same shit?
Yeah, well, there's a whole sky. You guys are like making this point about it's only this big of what we're looking at, but you're not looking at. Look at something else.
Look at something different.
Look at something different.
Let me get a different postage stamp.
I want to see something.
Yeah, it's just the size of a postage stamp. Well, let's get a different stamp.
Yeah, let's get these new James Webb stamps.
Yeah,
that would be, dude. Did we just come up with $1 million fucking idea?
Everybody, turn off your podcast
right now. Stop listening.
You didn't hear that? Unsubscribe.
Pat Penning right now. Oh my god.
But that's a good little segue into if you haven't subscribed, hit the bell or wherever it's down here somewhere.
Bottom right. Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Subscribe.
Here somewhere.
Yep. Over.
Hit the like and the subscribe.
And the ding that bell.
And if you don't, fuck you.
No, but for real, fuck you.
But this has been the latest installment of the Chelada Boys. Hope you guys enjoyed us bullshitting. We got a good buzz on, but boy, you should see the next 2 hours. Too bad you won't.
Buzzed up.
But as per usual, this has been your boy Dylan.
This is Posh.
And if you ain't had you some sort of chelada, go get you one and drink it. And if you don't like it, drink it till you're right. We'll see y'all next week when we talk about... Posh, what are we talking about?
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't know either. Talk about something.
We'll talk about something. Maybe the pyramids.
Remember...
I want to give you a little fact out about the pyramids.
I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
Just to put it in perspective how old the pyramids are. They were being built while woolly mammoths still existed.
That's wild.
So, fucking chew on that one till next week.
Yeah, Jesus wasn't even around then.
Yeah. It was it was a tourist attraction when Cleopatra was alive, and that was like 48 BCE. So that was before Christ, too. And Cleopatra wasn't Egyptian, she was Greek. That's all I know.
Wow, I didn't know that either.
Yeah, she's from Macedonia or something like that, and she's one of the from Alexander's rule, one of the lieutenant's daughters.
Okay, so you've got a little bit of...
I got some knowledge about these pyramids.
Well, you know what?
You know what I see?
Fuck, dude, I want to talk about them.
Let's talk about the pyramids next week.
We're going to talk about the pyramids next week.
Next week we talking about the pyramids.
Next week we talking about pyramids.
Oh, not really?
We talking about the triangles.
I hope you don't like them. Yeah.
We talking about these kind of triangles.
You ever been to Giza?
Dylan, that's a rectangle.
They say... Oh, yeah. Turn it on its side. They say that they actually have... pyramids have 4 sides. But these actually have 8 panels. It's crazy shit, man. Yeah, it's weird. They divide that other side in half one more time. It all hits like 30 degrees right to a point on a line of longitude. It's supposed to like absorb magic energy.
And they line up right.
They've never found a mummy in a pyramid ever. That's all Hollywood lying to you. They're just fucking structures built to store energy and power the world.
Let's appreciate my frown for a second.
That's a good one, dog. You can get that bottom lip all the way down to that jawline.
I really can.
Fucking Liz is way down there, boy. How you get that catfish mouth?
My dude's shaped like a fish.
Yeah. Meat.
That is SpongeBob. Anyway, Appreciate you guys coming out. Shit, hit the subscribe button, like it, whatever you want to do.
Hang out.
If not, just whatever.
Hey, we'll still be here next week. So
Whatever. I just don't care about your mom. But anyway, hey, you guys have a good week. We'll see you next week. We're going to probably, I'm not going to say definitely, we're probably going to talk about pyramids.
I got a little bit of info.
We got a little bit of information. Portia's got a little bit already, so it's a good little excuse for us to use it. So
That's it, isn't it?
we'll catch you guys. We'll catch you cats on the flip side of the pyramid. Bye.
See ya.